Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. In the 2009 and 2010 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500 pickups, the engine compartment fuse box is located in the engine bay near the battery. It protects major circuits including engine management, fuel delivery, ABS, headlights, and cooling fans. This design provides reliable power distribution to ensure both critical engine performance and essential safety systems operate effectively. In the 2011 and 2012 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500, the engine compartment fuse box, known as the Totally Integrated Power Module, TIPM, is located beside the battery on the driver's side. It protects key circuits such as the engine control, fuel pump, ABS, radiator fans, starter, and trailer tow modules. This system ensures dependable operation of both essential powertrain components and critical safety and convenience features. In the 2013 and 2014 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500, the engine compartment fuse box, called the Totally Integrated Power Module, TIPM, is mounted next to the battery on the driver's side. It manages and protects circuits for the engine control, fuel system, ABS, starter, cooling fans, and trailer tow equipment. This design ensures reliable distribution of power to essential engine functions, safety systems, and convenience features. In the 2015 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500, the engine compartment fuse box, known as the Totally Integrated Power Module, TIPM, is located beside the battery on the driver's side. It safeguards major systems, including engine management, fuel pump, ABS, starter, radiator fans, and trailer tow circuits. This setup ensures stable power distribution for both critical performance functions and vital safety and convenience features. In the 2016 Dodge Ram 1500, 2050, and 3500, the engine compartment fuse box, called the Totally Integrated Power Module, TIPM, is positioned next to the battery on the driver's side. It protects circuits for the engine control, fuel system, ABS, starter, cooling fans, and trailer tow modules. This ensures reliable power flow to essential engine operations, safety systems, and key convenience features. In the 2017 and 2018 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500, the engine compartment fuse box, known as the Totally Integrated Power Module, TIPM, is located beside the battery on the driver's side. It controls and protects circuits for the engine management, fuel pump, ABS, starter, radiator fans, and trailer tow systems. This setup ensures dependable power distribution for vital engine performance, safety features, and convenience systems.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.